Here we come to wreck the day.
Alright, so 5 minutes, rip.
Yep. Recording started. And we both load in with like ACRs. Or M16s. Oh well, now we got NoobTubes. No, Batman.
No, grenade launcher.
At least we can shoot at each other. Ooh, green stuff.
I'm saving my ammo.
What? I just picked up the ammo then. If this don't kill me. Ah! Point blank through the window. Skills. I'm killing him outside. Oh god. I didn't know you brought zombies in.
Double tap.
Wrecked.
That was like doo doo. Doo doo. Doo.
How'd you see the ones I killed back there? Oh wow.
Dibs. You never said we couldn't use things like hatchets.
You never said we could.
That's true. Never said we couldn't though.
Alright. Left hook, right cross. Ooh, points.
Damn it. I'm wasting so much ammo and you keep killing them.
Yeah, but you get the time for me killing them and points. As long as you've damaged them.
I don't damage them.
Yeah, you do. I killed like 3 that were damaged already.
It's so slow to reload!
That's not a max ammo.
Make a bunch of crawlers out of them.
I have no ammo.
Same!
I'm out. Why can't we get a max ammo drop?
I don't know.
Either. Ah!
I like it.
Me too.
Get the lot of health. Decoy?
Yes. And blow them up. Decoy and blow them up. Leveled up my grenade launcher again. Level 9.
C4?
Where? I was doing better with that than the hatchets, and that's weird. Hatchets are usually great, but you can kill so many at a time.
Shit, don't have enough for Juggernaut yet.
Saved your life.
No then. Juggernaut!
Double point. Knives for days. This is great for insta-kill though. You talk about crowd control, just turn around, jump backwards, and... Boo!
Dude, shoot him, then...
Then knife them, so you get points.
Yeah.
Yeah. Running away.
Damn it! Where's my hatchet?
It's right here. It was right here.
Ouch! Kinda hit you with that.
It blows back on you when you do that.
Yeah, I know, it's fucking bullshit. Freaks!
They don't know no
That's
better.
what I need. I think I need 4 grand. Damn it!
I probably shouldn't have even done that. Ooh, what's that?
I like it. Dibs!
least I'm at full speed knifing again. Hatchet.
Pick up that tomahawk.
You get it.
You get it. Don't need it. Oh god, you got in my way and I shot you with that.
I'm getting out of here.
What? While I reload? You suck. I'm dead. I killed all the zombies up here.
Here I come to wreck the day. Go.
But they leave so much ammo.
Oh God!
Ooh, points.
My points. I'm in swamp.
What?
Yeah. I'm gonna start opening up doors. Look at their level, dude.
Oh.
That way we can at least not be,
Overwhelmed?
yeah. Because it's not, insta-kill anymore.
I know, it's so sad. It's like a sad panda.
Well, now now we need to go open up power, Nate.
Power? Alright,
Come on.
running down there.
I'm clearing out tunnels. Ow, freak!
Insta-kill is amazing.
Nate, get down here. Let's go. There's
I need
zombies
a
in
Zan
here.
baby.
There's right here. You good?
No. Now I'm good. Okay. Whew.
Ouch!
You kill one, I got damage on him, and then we'll be alright.
I got 2 shots. Nice. I had to do my special.
Dang. Ooh, no good, no good, no good. I'm dead, I killed myself. Stupid. Ah!
I hate you for dying!
Well, they're almost all dead. You need to pack that, sir.
I don't have enough!
I know. Oh, I'm alive.
I shot at you. You moved!
Yes, well. I don't think I'm gonna.
I hate how this is not packed.
Well, I don't have any zombies, so
They're all next to pack.
I'm
At
dead.
the top of it.
I'm dead. It doesn't matter.
Damn it!
I'll be dead instantly because there's literally no zombies. Okay, I got one.
Are you still alive?
Yeah, but
Oh,
I
I thought
only
you died.
literally only have one.
Another zombie.
Make your way back here.
I need perks. Bad.
I mean, I can go with you for perks. Damn it, I'm out of ammo. Not funny.
Not good.
Oh, yes. I can pack my gun now. Yep, going down.
Are you?
I'm dead.
Oh crap. Not good. Well, I'm gonna die very, very soon. There's no zombies.
Ah, shit! I got stuck. I was trying to do the pack,
Yeah.
then I got overwhelmed.
That's enough out of you.
You need some health.
Yeah, I know. I'm one shot.
And you need to get killed.
That helped. That didn't help.
Watch your health, watch your health. Too bad knifing isn't one hit.
I know. It is too, though. Or wonder if you're that guy.
Nice. Too fast.
Yes, please.
Next round is jug round.
Oh, and I can't even pick it up. I just wanted to see what I would get.
I'm alive!
Run.
Keep on coming. I'm not even tired.
Quick reload and pack. Got it.
Yep. Pretty much.
Sucks 'cause I had armor and everything.
Oh yeah, you had armor. I didn't
Up.
still.
I think I had armor.
I don't
Pretty
know.
sure. Alright, I got back time. God dang it.
Are you dead again?
No. I'm just looking at a juggernaut looking at me.
Oh my god, that's a fast crawler. What the crap?
You got your commands.
Wow.
Ha! Yeah! That's how we do right there.
Juggernaut! Or juggernaut!
Where?
Swamp. You on airplane wing?
Yes. He's shooting at me. What a jerk.
I like it. Look behind you.
He should be split. Ooh, that hurts.
Yep. What's behind you?
I'm dead. I do not know how I made it out of that.
I was firing where exactly you were.
Lead him over to that energy mine.
I don't even know what an energy mine is. Ow, that really, really hurt.
Sorry.
What?
I have to share. You got it.
I actually picked up armor.
Nice. Not me. Still shy on points for it and everything.
I just found some on the ground in the swamp. Not swamp, but it's between airplane and swamp.
We really need to kill that jug.
Yep.
Or megaton. I don't know why I keep calling him a jug.
That really hurts!
Man, I'm getting levels like crazy off of this thing. I'm dead.
Like dead?
Dead. Even though I got kills after I died. I got afterlife kills. I got trapped.
Damn it.
Megaton's not too terribly far away from dead. Ammo on your right, if you need it. There's some right there too. Beside the rock.
I just want to live!
Phew! Loudy.
Really?
Oh, there goes that.
God dang it!
Yeah. Now you gotta. Oh god.
Shut up!
What are you going down here for?
Armor?
Uh-oh.
What the f- Oh, fuck me running! Where did he come from?
He spawned there.
That's horseshit. That sucks, but it's fun. It's not funny. Shut up.
That was pretty good.
Not funny.
He's like, oh, where did he come from?
Well, it's bullshit. It's not funny.
That was pretty good. Good times, good times.
I wish you would go home and play some more, because this is fun.
Yeah, but I have to get up early.
I know. No one else plays Crank because they suck.
Oh.
They don't know how fun this shit is.
Especially when you give yourself challenges.
The stupidest challenge ever.
Yeah, but it was fun. My NoobTube level is 11. Yeah. I bet I need all my camos still. Man, I don't even have half these camos on, like available to get. Like I can't even work towards them because you gotta get this thing level 30.
Well, I have all the Call of Duty videos.